Sam, can you hear me? I lost your voice. Sam, again, can you hear me?
I was able to hear you, but the thing is, you were not able to hear me, so I have to reconnect. Yeah, I hope now it's clear. Hello. Now I think I've lost you. Okay, fine. So what I've done is should I take the Mumbai instance? Yeah, I will do that. I'm just asking a question right now. Should I use the Singapore instance or the Mumbai instance? Because we have one Virginia instance, two instances which I've already started running. I put it on run, and and apart from that, alternative, should I use the Singapore or the Mumbai one? I'm just asking quickly so that I just set it up.
Okay. Is that Mumbai region working fine today?
I do
Just,
not know.
just
I
check.
have a
Just check
Singapore
once.
instance, I have a Virginia instance, and I have Mumbai instance.
That's
Two
what I'm
instances
saying.
we have.
That's
The,
what I'm saying. That's
yeah,
what
I'll
I'm
check.
saying. If
I'll check.
Mumbai
I'll check.
instance working fine, then we can take Mumbai. Else we will continue with the same.
Okay, fine. Sing, uh, Virginia is already running, and I
Yes.
will check for
Mumbai also, just check
Mumbai.
with the Mumbai. If Mumbai works, let's go with the Mumbai.
Okay, no problem. No problem. We'll do that.
So now, so we have already seen about simple routing policy and also weighted. So let's check today with the latency and also failover.
Yes, it will be done very fast, I guess. So
Yes,
just when it
yes,
connects,
I
I think
hope
it will
so.
be done in 20 minutes. Maybe.
Yeah, let's close this complete.
It will be. It will be for sure. But
Yeah.
thing is that right now, when I was talking to you, it was very fast. Oh, now it's
Mm.
now. I hope it remains fast. Otherwise, there'll be a. So Singapore instance, you can see that right? It stopped. So I'll go to Mumbai instance and check whether I can open this up. Okay.
Can you
So we
share
have
your
Virginia
screen?
two instances. I will share. Just a second. Give me a second. Please do not take time. Please, please, please. Oh, let's see. It's not again. It's slow. Oh God. Okay. Next 2 seconds here. Okay. Now I can share. Wait. No sharing button. Strange. So, okay. So these are the Mumbai instances. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
And both are in South 1A,
Mm.
availability zone 1,
Yes.
and server 1. Just let me expand it a little.
Yes.
Okay, done. So let's see. So we have USA instance, North Virginia, server 1 and server 2. Okay,
Yeah.
and we have Mumbai instance, server 1 and server 2. So in Mumbai, I should. So what do you want me to do? You want me to enable the Mumbai both the instances and stop one instance from USA.
Let's keep Mumbai two instances.
1 and 2. Yeah, okay, fine. I'll just disconnect this one first, just one, and keep one in USA. Stop one instance, and I'll start these two instances here.
Excuse me.
Are we recording, sir?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now let's just be quick and get done with this. Please start. Oh, God. when I was working with it, it was fast. Before the call, I started everything very fast. But now, when we're
It's
in the
okay. Yeah,
actual work,
yeah, yeah.
it's just like what I don't know. But anyway,
Okay.
I think yeah, it stopped. No
No
problem.
problem, no
Yeah,
problem,
it's
sir.
working.
We have a lot of patience. No problem. That is our
I'm
strength.
saying
No problem.
stop.
Even if it doesn't support, also not a big deal. Earlier, I understood that before you connect, you try to open very fast, but you could not able to do very fast now because it is not supporting well. Even though no problem at all. So let's wait for it response.
Yeah. So I think Mumbai has some problem.
That's what I said. Just remove Mumbai instances, not a big deal. Just let's go with the North Virginia.
Stop. I'm not removing it. I'm just keeping it. Later on, I'll remove it or I'll remove it. It does not matter. First, we'll complete this exercise of two things: fail over and then I'll delete the Mumbai instance. But it's funny. How would somebody know that the Mumbai instance is not working? How would they assume that we have to go to some other geographical region? So it's very funny. But it's not about the bill. It's about the capacity issue with the AWS in Mumbai somehow. Okay, so no problem. I'll connect with Singapore because the bill is very less. I have seen that even the bill is like $10. They let you do everything until they give you a grace period of like 15, 20 days. So now it's not starting. That means that this is completely the issue of that region. And okay, so I should start USA too also because we have no choice. Again, I'll start the USA region. Okay, this is connected. Fine. So now we have two instances ready in USA and one instance ready in Singapore. Cool. Both are running. Now let's go to muscle our this thing our posted zones. Posted zones now we'll create it. First we'll create the load balancer, right? I have pasted the name servers onto Big Daddy, so that is done, and I've saved that. But now we have to add the records. For the records, we have to create the load balancer first. So create load balancer. Are you there, sir?
Yeah, yeah, I'm there. I'm listening everything. Whatever you are saying.
Okay, fine. So load balancer we are creating in the region of North Virginia. Or yeah, this would be common. So classic load balancer. I hope it will work fine. Yeah, load balancer, fine. So what I'll do is route 53 load balancer. Okay, I'm giving this route 53 load balancer.
No, no, no. Keep North Virginia also.
Okay, fine. Yeah. That is how we'll be able to differentiate. But load balancer is common, right? Whether it's Singapore, whether it's North Virginia, right? We
That's
don't have to
okay.
create
But
two
this is for identification.
identification. But load balancer is only one. We have to create two load balancers. You just saying for Singapore and for North
That's
Virginia.
fine. Yeah, yeah. Okay, got it. That's okay. Not a big deal.
Yeah, so I'm asking, are we creating two different load balancers for Singapore and for North Virginia, or is it only one? If it's it one, then you don't have to write North Virginia or Singapore.
Yes, that's what I agreed. Yes, you can continue.
Exactly. Okay, Route 53, internet facing uh, by default, and all, since availability zones are all of them are there, we'll select all, or it's even three we select, it's fine. But in this case, since they give us more options of availability zones: 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F. Now this we have to cross, and we have to choose USA. Sorry, is it done? Cool. And listeners port no, HTTP is absolutely fine. Your health check, we change it to 2. Okay, and we'll go down instance. We'll check our instance, add our instance. Okay, these are two instances we have. Fine in one region, and this attributes will keep it to 150, and load balancer tag name name. According to you. Sorry, you said name that, so I'll name it. Okay, lovely. Mm, just name it. Perfect. This is done. Uh, we just check route load balancer VPC. This all good. www dot alias going load balancer.
Is the dot is required? www after.
Not required. Latency.
Yeah, latency. Correct. So what is your first
Uh,
region? What is your region you are choosing?
USA.
So yeah, US,
USA.
North Virginia. Yeah, this is the one.
Okay. So in this case, okay. So to choose Singapore, we have to. It will give us another option, or how will that be?
In this case, see, first initially we are creating separate latency routing policy. Okay, so Route 53 in the Route 53, first we are adding, first one is US, the other one is Singapore. The balance it will take care. Okay, latency it will take care. Where is the latency? It will find. Okay. So initially
But you
we
have
need to check with the region first, US North Virginia.
okay. But
Okay.
to check, you have to add Singapore also, right? How
Singapore
will
is
we?
separate. You have to do that separate in the same domain only. Okay. Records we are creating. Other record we need to create with the Singapore.
Okay, fine. So www, this is fine, and application, Tilasto application and classic load balancer USA, then USA load USA, Singapore load balancer latency. This is done. Health check, it is not choosing.
Not required. And record ID must be there.
Uncheck, uncheck, yeah, and then load balancer. Copy and paste, I guess. You have to copy and paste. It directly somehow does not take. So let's create
Can
the
you, oh, one
record.
second, one second. Can you scroll
Yes,
down?
I got it.
Records.
I got it. Add another record.
Yes. Do it.
First, we'll create this record and then we'll create. So it is simple. So we didn't see that. Create
Yes.
records and then
Yes,
I'll
yes. Add,
create.
add no problem. Add no problem. Here also you can record, you can create the record again.
After,
So
after that, I'll not.
you can, I said right. If you want to go Mumbai, there are ways.
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
At the same time, if you want to do it at the same time, all steps once, if you want to do, you can do that. Else, if you just need come out and if you want to make it separate, you can do that also. Singapore, yeah. Choose load balancer. Did you create a load balancer in Singapore?
Let's create it. Okay, so I have to create another load balancer.
No, no, no. It is ready. I'm
Or I have
asking, is it ready or not? Can you check, open once? Okay. Is it working? This load balancer?
yeah, this is working. DNS
Check,
name and all that.
check
We
with the
check.
browser.
Right. Must be working, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
it's
is
working.
North Virginia server, not Singapore. Maybe you might have kept some different content related to this North Virginia. You copied from
I
North
didn't get you.
Virginia content.
Sorry?
You copied in the server, you copied North Virginia content. In Singapore, it is showing North Virginia
Singapore,
content.
no, no, it's not Singapore. It is, sir, you're not checking. What I'm saying is,
I'm asking, I'm
I
I'm
create,
asking, Sam, I'm asking, can you please check Singapore load balancer?
no, I have not added Singapore. The load balancer that I created was for only USA.
So, but we need
That,
Singapore also, right? We need to check with the two different
that I was
regions.
asking. Exactly. That is why I was asking you again and again. Should I create two load balancers, one separately for Singapore and one separate for USA, or I add it in one load balancer? But that answer I could not get clearly. That is why I created a load balancer which is particularly for USA. That is why I was asking you when I was creating it, I was asking you, should I create two load balancers or should I create one balancer and add
Okay, and just let me
USA and
know,
Singapore?
in theory part also, I clearly shown the picture also. In latency also, failover
Yeah,
also.
load balancer is one. Load balancer is one. So, okay, now tell me, how do I do that? Should I clear this off? Because I was demonstrating it in front of the screen also. What do I do? But you said, no, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. That's why I'm asking. Now, since the load balance is already created, should I delete it and then add both at the same time, or I should, because I'm following your word, right? Whatever you're saying, I'm just doing.
Don't
Right now,
follow
it is
me.
just connected.
No, 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 Sam. You're doing mistake. Don't follow me. Just clearly, I explained in the theory part. Could you please repeat me what is exactly simple routing policy? So
Simple routing policy
in theory part, we
when
discussed all together. I explained about simple routing policy. I explained about weighted routing policy with the picture and also latency and failover also. Could you please tell me how what kind of load balancers we have to mention? So in previous
There is
you only
only
did
one
weighting
load
routing
balancer
policy
for
also.
everything. You don't have to create multiple load balancers, just one balancer, because load balancers work is to distribute the traffic and the load. If some availability zone is busy or some geographical zone is busy, it routes the traffic or the load to the other location or to other geographical locations. That is the job of load balancer. You don't have to create two or three or four separate load balancers. Only one load balancer is enough. But while I was creating the load balancer, it was not giving me an option of adding another geographical region. That is why I was asking you this question, whether I should create that. You should have guided me there and then. No, add that in this way. That is what I'm asking, because we are trying to get this done with. So now, so
One
what I'll
second,
do
Sam.
is,
One second, Sam. Yesterday, previous weighted routing policy. What you did? Can you please explain me the steps?
yes. So as I said, we don't have to do this. We have to just add records, and the load balancer would be the same. It's just that we have to make some tweak, some changes in the load balancer. Just guide me to that, and we will get to this point, because we have already gone to this part. When we
But
will add the load balancer of Singapore, which is that, then we'll just choose latency, and it will be done. And will be done. So just guide me how to add the
no,
Singapore
Sam,
one.
no, Sam, no. We should not skip without any, missing this content. Okay, first you need to
Uh,
understand the content. If you go forward after complete without knowing this, if you complete the concept, it doesn't matter. Okay, it's a waste of waste of teaching all these things. First of all, I'm asking you should understand clearly what is simple, what is weighted, what is latency, and also failover. In this concept, in weighted routing policy, in simple routing policy,
78.
we did not created two load balancers, only one created for simple routing policy. Even though we created two routing policies, but we did not used because for simple routing policy, you just need only one load balancer. In weighted routing policy, we have created two different regions, which is Singapore and North Virginia, and you bifurcated the load in between two different regions.
That's right.
So in the same also
That's
in free in latency
latency.
also failover also I clearly explained well, already shown in the picture as well, right? So don't ask me this again and again, because you have followed me very well previous also, right? Why I'm not guiding me in the sense, I just want to check with you whether without me are you able to following or not, can you able to do by your own or not. That's why I'm completely silent today. See here, latency routing policy, I have given two different route load balancers. Can you see
Okay,
here?
then I'll create another load.
So
I can't see anything right now. Wait. I think you are. I am sharing the.
okay,
Okay.
so let's
Yeah, I
create
can see. I can see.
yeah. See, in this, while
I
I'm
can see.
explaining this theory part also, I have shown here for weighting router policy, we are actually bifurcating the load between two different regions with the weighting. So here is 70% weight, here 30%
That's
weight.
right.
We have done that with the two different regions. If, for example, you created two load balancers in the same region, what is matters? Okay, if you create in the same within the region two load balancer, it will be there itself, right? It doesn't matter if it fails or if it will not be like
Doesn't matter.
right? It doesn't matter if you do how many you create from the one region. So actually we are bifurcating load between two different regions. This is matter now. So in this case
Or two
also,
load balancers.
failover latency routing policy also, there is load balancer, two different load balancer. In our case, North Virginia is one load balancer, with Singapore is other load balancer in our case.
Got it.
Right? You should understand that actually why I am not giving response inside. I want to check without me, without telling anything, without help, can you able to do it or not? Again, you are
Got it.
asking
Got it.
me,
Now,
should I create? Should I create? So after you passed two stories, which means simple and weighted, still you are asking the
got it.
question, right? Please
Okay,
try
got it.
to
Sorry.
follow me. No, 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 Sam. here actually I'm requesting you to uh, follow this actually. So
Understood.
because you did not practiced, okay, just you are following this, you are thinking that this is only practice and you are skipping it. Later you are coming with the for other new topic. You are not doing practice somewhere. That's where actually you are
Sorry,
still following me, Sam. Okay,
sorry. Got it. No, no, no.
no,
I
no, no,
understood. I
sorry,
just had this
no, sorry,
issue.
sir, no sorries. I'm requesting you. So actually, we have a same steps for four steps for simple, weighted, latency, and also failover, and also geographical also. So all the steps are similar. If you can
Got
create
it.
a minimum, if you create a simple routing policy, maybe you may get little confusion for the waiting routing policy. But you did waiting routing policy, you passed two steps already, right? After that, you should not ask me. You have to do by your own without helping me, right?
First.
That's
Okay.
what I am expecting here.
Okay, now it'll be done. I understood. I understood. So I'll
So
try
let me stop
presenting the
my
screen.
sharing screen.
Yeah, yeah. So I'll share my screen.
So don't take it wrong, Sam. I want you to walk you
No,
through.
I'm not taking anything wrong. I'm not taking, presenting. Stop presenting. So my, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Fine, perfect. So no problem. So it'll be done now. Load balance reserve. It's not global, so we have to go to Singapore and then create one. Okay, no problem. Okay.
This is Singapore. Which one? All link looks. Other one also is there. SING single. Which one? Our second one or third one?
It's fine. It's fine. It's right.
Check with your security group.
No, the security group. This one. Fine. But we'll check it.
Go to security. Yeah, then you can get the ID from here. Yeah, Singapore Instant One AZ1A.
Yeah, my naming convention is correct. That's why
Yes.
naming convention needs to be correct. Otherwise, it's issues. Perfect. Okay, internet is meeting 1 to 3, and then this, and then this, and this.
Okay. So now route
Yeah,
53. In route
correct,
53.
correct, correct, correct.
It will take time to up.
No problem, no problem. It's fine. Now it will be done fast. I've already am
Yeah.
onto this. So www. I'll just refresh it a little bit. Maybe it will be- Okay, this is done.
Yes.
Open Singapore. Singapore load balance. This is perfect. Okay. No need of health evaluate check. Need of this. Okay. This
Keep
is
keep
done.
keep health
www.
keep health
Sorry.
open. Let's check mark evaluate health. Keep
Okay.
yeah. Just open it. Let's see.
Yes, yes. I'll do it. I'll do it. It doesn't matter. It just gives a report,
Yeah,
and then it
report
will
only.
just
That's what I want to see the report.
fine. Pick it.
That's
Reach.
okay. We get records. Not okay. Okay,
This is
tell
done.
me for suppose just 1 minute.
Please.
Tell me what result you are expecting from this.
Just a second. Yeah. Okay. What result? See, it's simple. In simple routing policy is just one load balancer that we are you know trying to we have two regions, different regions, and we are just trying to distribute the load and just do it on its own. We don't have to create two load balancers. But in case of latency, in case of weighted, and in case of failover, even geographical, but geographical is more theoretical. Latency, weighted, and your failover, we have to create true load balancers, because we are creating different regions. In case one fails over, or in case there is load on the other, or there is more traffic to the other, the load balancer sends the traffic to one which is free right now, or which is working right now. So now differentiating between latency and your weighted and your failover is like the following. In your weighted, it is like 70-30%. So when the load is when there is more there is less burden on one regional location, it will send that 70% traffic to that part, and 30% it will keep it to the part where the load is more. So obviously it will distribute to a place where the services can be given more faster. So that is why it sends your, in case of weighted, 70% load will be given to the place where there is where the traffic can be easily managed. So that's the latest. And failover means when one stops working completely, there is a earthquake or a disaster, or maybe some hiccup, just like the Mumbai region. We have been trying to see it since 3 days, and it was not the bill issue. Bill is absolutely fine. It is just $1. It is not $30, $40. So it is not the issue of. It is the issue with the Mumbai region itself. Somehow there is a lot of traffic there. So in case we created Mumbai region and North India region, So it will automatically send the traffic to North Virginia region, even though we are sitting in Mumbai, working in Mumbai, our headquarters in Mumbai does not matter. It will fail safe. 100% of traffic will be sent to that. So I have told you about weighted 70/30. I've told you about simple. I've told you about and latency. I do not know perfectly. I might be forgetting a little bit, but it is like similar latency that it will check where it is taking time.
Yeah.
If it
So
knows
yeah,
that
I understood. I understood. So in this case, latency means, for example, in our case, for suppose we are actually not using a Mumbai region. Okay. So for
yeah, yeah,
suppose if example I'm telling, for suppose if you are using Mumbai region, we are belonging to Mumbai region. Okay. So if someone customer is hitting nearby your region, okay, it will quickly respond based on the near physical location.
okay.
Okay. But in our case, actually we kept only North Virginia and Singapore. Okay. So let's see. We doesn't know what response we'll get. Okay, because we took so long region back. Okay, so longest region we chosen. Okay, but you may astonish that maybe that response will get from Singapore because that is near to us.
Yes.
So let's check the results now.
Okay,
So
fine.
what response? Which means a Singapore region are getting or North Virginia region is taking. Let's see what response is getting.
So this part is done. Now we have to just check.
Yeah. So yeah.
So we'll
Can
start the
you go to
console.
DNS checker?
DNS check. It will work because obviously DNS was working. So we'll check. We'll check. No, not this one.
Yesterday I have shown you, right? That would be good actually.
That one. The other one. You have to check which one was. Look my DNS, right?
And yeah, that will
Which one
also
was that?
work. But I think propagation, DNS propagation, something I have shown you. So that is
No, no,
looks
no. It
fine.
was. It was this one. It was this one.
Oh yeah, yeah. Open it.
My 120%.
Yeah. Enough. One is enough. Just I have shown you that yesterday. Just I've shown you. That's it. These many websites are useful. Open it. Yeah, this is the one. I like it. That's why. So yeah, www muzzle and
For now, it is not working.
still not yet ready.
Yes. Okay. So this is not ready, but our load balances are ready. Uh, load balancers are ready.
In browser, check with your domain.
Instances are ready. Load balancer is ready. Everything is ready. It's just that we have to.
Just keep eye on it. www muzzle and go. Yeah, it is not ready yet. Let's take it up. It will take time. DNS, one second. If there is any typo in this unlined live spelling, understand to DNS proof
Yes.
and external. Okay, let's take time. It's
Can you check it from your end
yeah, yeah,
whether
I'm
this is
already
working?
doing. I'm already doing. Not yet. Not getting.
Okay. I think how when will we get to know here under load balancer or where that it's working?
No, no, no. We need to keep checking in browser itself with the domain name. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Can you show me whether this Singapore load
Yeah,
balancer working fine or not? Load balancer, I'm asking. With the DNS name.
sure. Must be working. Check.
Good.
Working.
All right. So let's wait for this domain response.
Yes, 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 yes. This takes time somehow, and when you check, maybe it worked from your side, from your end, but
Yeah, yeah. I'm also
last
checking.
time it took. This is done because everything is done here. The setup is done fast. It was fast this time, but
Yeah, yeah.
quite fast.
Has
It's
it
done.
done?
It's
I think
done.
it's done. Dot live. MUCLELMINDLIVE. Okay.
Working. This time. This is not.
Can you go to once Route 53?
And get you Route 53.
Third tab. Yeah, it's already open. Third one. The tab is already open. Third one. It's already open, right, Sam? Hello.
Uh,
No, 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 Sam. I think my question is not getting you properly. So already the third one is there, right? Third one, third tab.
yeah, third
Yes,
time.
can you open it? Yeah, just open it. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, can you click on latency? Yeah, that one. Yeah, click, just check mark it. Check mark it. That's it. Just check mark it. Yeah, yeah, keep it. Yeah, there is actually mistake in the record name. Okay,
Record name here.
there is a mistake in record name. Okay, www you got double something like this.
Okay,
Okay,
so how do I
so we just
edit it?
need to edit it. Edit a record. Edit a record.
Let's see. There's okay. I
Okay,
don't think so. At record, maybe I have to change the maybe this one. Yes, but how do we change it? I think we have to change the load balancer. No, 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 no. No.
no, no, no. One second.
Edit zone, edit hosted zones.
Yes, 1 second. 1 second. Oh
See
yeah,
here, domain name is this. It's fine, right?
domain name you should not give www, Sam. That was a mistake. It's not domain name means www. You should not give www. You should give only muzzle and mind.
Okay.
Okay, so how we have to change? I'm just thinking how to edit this.
Yeah, even I'm thinking now.
All right, that's why it is confusing. Yeah, try to edit now. Let's try. Take all the options. God. You should have mentioned only muzzle and mind dot live. That's it. No www. It's not taking, right. So
Mm,
sad. So
that's true.
sad. So sad. Ah, oh God. What to do?
I think it does not let you change.
Do one thing,
I
Sam.
think this,
Remove hosted zones.
yeah, exactly.
There is no other
No,
alternative because it is not allowing you to edit it.
no, delete.
Yeah. So if you want to delete hosted zones, in the sense you have to delete entire records also.
Yeah, yeah, I know that.
Let's do one thing,
No problem.
Sam. Let's do one
No
thing,
problem.
Sam. Let's do one thing. However, we have done latency, right? So next time we'll go with the failover. Clear?
No problem.
Okay. Let's go with the
No
failover.
problem. No problem. It will done. See, load balance already created. Yeah,
Yeah,
already
everything is
created.
ready.
Load.
Everything is ready. However, we should do with the failover also, right? Next time
Yes, yes.
we'll go with the failover first. Thereafter, we'll go for latency.
Yeah, 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 right.
But here is one thing: we need to wait for until it is up. The name servers up.
What's up? No problem. Okay, let's delete the load balancer. Without deleting load balancer, it will not work, I guess. It will not
Wait,
delete.
wait, wait. Why load balance you are deleting? Wait. Sam, wait. Why are you deleting load balancer?
Okay, got it.
Why are you deleting load balancer, Sam? I'm asking records. Go to
No, no,
hosted
I'm not.
zones. It is not relevant to this hosted zones, right? That is completely different
Correct,
service.
correct, correct. Right. Not deleting.
Click on that. Just click on that.
Right, right. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Sam, at what time you have to go outside with mom?
Yes, after this class, I have to go.
Okay.
Okay, done. No problem. Oh, okay, no problem. Now create hosted zones. Okay,
Just 1 minute, Sam.
muscle.
Remove the name. Remove the name. Just remove the name. Just don't be hurry. Check it here. It is clearly stating muzzle.com. Okay, example.com means muzzle and dot live. Example, it is showing dot live. Sam, it's dot live.
Right, the hosted node is a container that holds information about what you want to route traffic. Okay, hosted zone is a container that holds information about how you want to route traffic. For a remove this example.
Sam, 1 minute, Sam. The domain is wrong still. It's not dot com. It's live.
That's muscle and check.
So what I'm trying to say is it is giving intelligence. So before you creating hosted zone domain name, it is clearly showing that mention without www, without www, just mention only your domain name. That's it. With the example it is
Yes.
showing.
Correct, correct. That's right. That's right.
So that's why we should be very much careful in production. Okay, we should be very much careful. UAT environment also. Okay, if you do mistake, troubleshooting is a big headache in DevOps.
Yes, you have to create everything again.
Before creating everything only, you should be very much careful.
Absolutely agreed. My mistake. 64, 5, 1, 7, 3, 16, 16, 0, 5, 6, 7. 16, 6. 0.6.
That's it, Sam.
No, no, it did not update.
It's not.
So I'm wondering.
It is not updated yet. Oh, can you refresh the
So
page?
yeah, it says continue something. So that's why.
Okay, do it again.
Uh, wow. Sixty zero 56. See. Okay. Very funny.
Sam, do it again one more time.
Okay. Maybe what's happening is it's taking time to update because I clicked on save, but still it's not showing.
No,
Maybe
no, no, no. That's not the point. Actually, after saving, also it will ask the permission to continue. You are
I
not
know
getting that
that.
option.
No, 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 no. That's not correct. After saving, it shows you it is not in my hand. It will continue. It's will once you save, it will show you the continue message.
That's
I
what
have
I'm
done
saying.
that twice. But last time what happened is 2 days back when we did it, it took at least 2, 3, or 4 minutes to update, and then the continue message, then the continue was shown. That screen was shown after 3, 4 minutes. We thought it did not update, but then we refreshed the page. It showed the updated records, and then the continue message showed. So it depends. GoDaddy is another service. They can be late also, or might be it's just not working because of some other issue. It depends actually. It should immediately show us the continuous message or the continue message. But let me refresh it. If not, then I'll do the third time. I this time loan loading the message, or maybe there is a token system that no. Anyways, let me try once again.
1 second, Sam. Here, just delete it. Just delete it.
I'm
Delete.
deleting everything.
Okay, save it now.
No, no, this is not the one.
Even though.
Deleting everything. I'll use my own DNS. I'll again cancel it completely. Anyways, what I'll do is one, okay, I'll go here. Done. One, first one, add. Second one, add. Zero. And then add another name server. I go here, copy, paste. Add another name server. I went there, copy, paste. Recheck 160056 and 44. 160056 and 4. And then I'm going save. Okay, save. Is it okay?
Yes, continue.
Save. Let's see.
Wait,
I hope
wait,
continue message comes.
wait.
I hope it comes. I hope it comes. Perfect. It came and it's saved. I hope it's saved. It's saved. Cool. After third time. After third time. No problem. So now we'll add records. So, okay. So hope this time it works. The Amazon E2 region, where the resource that you specified is in this. The Amazon E2 region, where the resource that you specified is. You can only create one latency record for each EC2 region. You aren't required to create latency records for all EC2 regions. Okay, good balancer, feed, done. Let me recheck. No, no dot www alias and then region and then say USA latency. This is that. Repeat it. Repeat record. www Singapore. Let's see. Singapore. Perfect. I think it seems fine. This is done.
Sam, can you open hosted zones? Yeah, here only. Scroll down.
Yes,
One
it's fine.
sec. Yeah, yeah.
We have done the whole exercise. This one is a little tricky. Now this is shows www only. Specific region. Okay. Now this is still here. Now this is correct.
Can you click on latency? Just read check mark.
Yeah.
Yes, fine.
This is fine. DNS is working. Singapore is also working. The load has got this muscle and mind live is not working. Oh, takes time. What can you do now? Is it working? Is the domain name working on your computer, sir?
Sorry, Sam.
Is the domain name working on your computer? You can check
Yeah, yeah,
www.muscleandmind.com.
yeah, sure. We'll check.
Or maybe it's only the issue in my PC.
No, no, no. No, it's checking.
Yeah, it's working. It's working. Now it's working.
Yeah,
Next
yeah.
time.
In here also.
Now it's working. It's taking, but it takes 10 minutes. It takes 10 minutes to work.
Wait. Sam, what it is showing is Singapore. Singapore is
No,
showing here. Why? Why? Because actually we have a two instances from load balancer North Virginia, but it is showing Singapore because latency. It is taking faster. Nearby region is your Singapore according to load balancer.
that's correct.
Correct. So that's the reason first priority is taking Singapore because it is near your region is Singapore. So latency taking Singapore first.
That's right.
That's it.
Okay, that's
So
the
low
answer.
latency. There is a low latency with the Singapore. So that's why it is taking Singapore load balancer. It is
Perfect.
connected with the
So
load.
this is the exercise.
Yes. And let's do with the failure
Okay,
also.
perfect. So in case of failure, load balancer is the same.
Yes, same,
We
same,
only need to change.
same.
We only need to change the hosted zone
No, only need to change the records, not
record.
hosted zones. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, say editing the hosted zone, but only inside edited hosted zone,
Yes,
only the records.
yes. In records,
Okay, so
in
we
edit
can even edit
records.
it. Let's see. You can do that. Edit record one by one,
Yes.
and if you can just change it, change
Just
the.
make it as failover.
Yeah, I'm just trying. Maybe it can be done. Then be perfect. Latency. I hope it can be done.
No, it will get failover. Just change it as a failover. Scroll down. So failover record type. So primary, which one you want to keep primary? You want to keep Singapore primary or North Virginia? No. Keep North Virginia is a primary. What is this? Asia. Ah, okay. You can make it a secondary. Singapore is secondary.
Hosted zone is global. So there is no primary, and we have to first check which is primary because load balancer is common. We cannot create it in one global zone. So my observation was when I was creating load balancer, I have to change the region. But if I'm creating hosted zone or Route 53, I don't have to select a zone. It will be global. So now primary we choose USA or Singapore.
Singapore secondary. Primary is North Virginia.
Okay, primary, not very. But then it will not let you choose.
This is Singapore,
Like
Sam. This is
see,
Singapore. Make it as secondary.
no problem. Great, this
Scroll
is
down.
done.
Just scroll
Yeah,
down and
I'm
save it.
first I'm checking
No need to save
www.
all. Already it's you've been done everything fine. Only you just need to change the routing policy. That's it. Just save it.
Done. This is done. Done. Perfect. Oh wow. So you're trying to create already exists. Uh-huh. Now this is showing some issue. It's still not let me refresh. Let me refresh. I hope changes. No, it did not change actually. Let me try it for USA once and then see whether it's going to do that for us or
If
not.
not taking edits, if not taking edits,
Sorry,
delete it.
it's not taking the edit application. Let me try once if it's
Yeah.
going to take the edit. Right. Okay, so this is www. Load balancer, Virginia, dual stack, USA, Singapore, failover, primary. See, okay, health check. Check health ID is required to have value. Okay, will have required to have value. So it's asking for health check. First, it was not is required. Okay, so I checked the value target here.
So create health check then here. Create
Yeah,
health check.
yeah. You don't have to now choose it. Just if you check this, it will automatically be okay.
Yeah.
So
Do one thing, Sam. Let's do it separate. Delete this record. Two records.
yeah, yeah. I'll do that. If it changes now, it's fine. Otherwise, okay.
No,
Now
no,
we have
no.
to change it.
No. We actually need to add health checks mandatory because failover definitely will get result by health check. There we can identify.
No problem. I'll delete it.
So then
It's.
we can delete it now.
I hope it lets us create. Otherwise, again we have to create this complete paste the DNS and all that.
No need all those.
Let's hope for the best.
No need. Once if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
add
We'll
the
see.
DNS names, not required to add again and again. Just only create a records here.
Okay. Let's see. Hope for the best. Yes. I'm also hoping that.
Create a record.
Can complete. Cool. Okay. Fine. I,
You want to keep primary Singapore.
let me check. This is report. Okay. Now. Yeah. So health check. No health check. But it's not taking anything. So just if we choose this, it will take it. The primary is USA, as you said. I am not changing. You said you don't. You said no Singapore, USA. So primary I'm taking as USA.
One
Health
second.
checkup.
One
It's not.
second. 1 second, Sam.
It's not.
1 second. 1 second. Here actually we need to create a health check. Um,
Once you check this, yes, it will automatically stop showing the sign. Or you tell me how to create it.
hmm. Actually, here itself, actually, it should show the create health check record, but
So
no
it's not.
option is showing here. Here, no.
Just a second. I have some idea because
So
somewhere I
yeah,
saw something like that.
okay,
Wait,
check
wait, wait.
it.
Or some I have taken a duplicate tab.
Yeah, yeah.
No, not this one. Health checks.
Yes. Create
This.
health check.
Okay.
Create health check. Make the name USA health check. That's it. Or North Virginia health
Yeah,
check.
yeah, yeah. Fine.
Endpoint domain name.
Yeah, domain name,
Yes. Okay. Give
complete name.
yeah.
How
Give
what?
domain.
80 images.
1 second. HTTP, right? HTTP, right?
This is
So
HTTP.
1 second. Here, copy that load balancer is there. Go to that tab, third tab. Copy that load balancer ID. Copy and paste there. Yeah, paste here. Paste it.
The needs your endpoint will return an EPC access. This is not copying and paste. Copy.
It is
Yeah, yeah.
complete.
Copy. Done.
Okay. Scroll down.
But
Pa.
it was actually asked to write the HTTP name, the www muscle dot something, right? It was showing actually domain name, but we are copying the load balancer.
So we used to do the like this, Sam. If you want to try with that www, just try it. But I used to do this like this earlier.
Okay, okay, okay.
But
If it
I'm
is load
not sure
balancer, then
about
okay, fine.
www that. Earlier I used to follow this, but I don't know. I learned like this only. And we also used
Okay,
like this, but I don't know. I did not check with this domain name. If you want to keep it, you can keep it.
no, 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 fine,
Just
fine.
type it.
Go, we'll go with the load balancer name. Load balancer complete. Oh, we'll check. If not, we'll edit it. We'll
So,
try to edit it then.
so if not works, we'll try with that.
Yeah, we'll try with that.
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Advanced settings also are there, right? Did you check advanced? So what are those in
Well,
advanced? So while we are creating, I have seen the option that advanced. Not here in health checks. Okay,
no,
that's
there's
fine.
only view. There's only view
View
record.
testing records only. Okay, that's fine. Okay, can you check here? Health check ID is getting on.
Yes.
Yeah, click on it.
This one. And then add another record.
Save here, Sam. We'll add it separate later. That one.
No problem. So we have to again make another health check record for
Yes,
Singapore.
yes. Secondary is Singapore.
Okay. Yes. That's right. LLW.
Okay. Okay. Use the same.
Okay. No, 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 no. Well, there will be an issue. Ask me why. It's because the end point was different. The end point was the load balancer was different. Now, if you are saying by your logic, we have to choose the load balancer of Singapore. This is the load balancer of USA, North Virginia. So
Okay,
in
then
that case,
create
you have to
a.
create another.
Okay.
Yeah, in that, if we were putting the domain name www.muscle.in and then 80 slash image, then it would have been same. If we are copying paste it under HTTP the load balancer, then obviously we have to put the load balancer of Singapore, not this. So in that logic, with that logic, we have to create another health check. I'm following your logic only right now. So we have to take another health checkup. It will not work for 100% sure if we copy that.
Okay, create a health check now.
Yes, I'm creating it. Okay. Singapore health check. Copied endpoint is this. First, I'll change the name tag. Name, name. Put this. Check this. Go to go to this. Load balancer of Singapore. Singapore load balancer. Create health checkup. I paste it here. Health check endpoint. Domain name. Sorry, domain name. I did not do this. HTTP. Perfect. Perfect. We also check
Yes,
secrets in advance.
yes, yes. In advanced configurations, intervals. 1 second. Yeah. Keep fast 10 seconds.
Fast in seconds.
Okay. Failure threshold is 3. That's fine. Okay. Which means I'll clearly understand. Let me allow to
Please,
talk. Here,
please, please,
three
please.
times it fails. Okay. 3 times it fails. It will go and check 3 times whether this is active or not. After 3 seconds, it will divert your traffic into different region.
Okay, okay. First, it will take 3 times to check whether it's active. If not, then it will divert the traffic
Yes.
to USA because right now it
Yes.
is Singapore.
Yes. But we
Okay.
have to act. We have to keep that in that health check also. But it's okay. But it's okay. Save it.
Okay, this is done. And what are we going to do? We are going to change the failover here also. edit also, a little bit edit the USA. Advanced check if it we can check. We'll check that also. Advanced configuration.
Take 10 seconds if it is active. No, it's not allowing. That's okay, fine.
That's fine. Sure.
Yeah, make it failure threshold 3. That's fine. And
Done. Singapore health check.
mhm.
Now this is done. Everything is done. Fill over secondary where yes, this is perfect. Uh,
Save.
Google. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
In our case, what we will do is, what is our primary one?
Primary one is USA.
So just do one thing, stop two instances.
Start to
In our
instances.
case, failover means, what does it mean? Failover in the sense, in our case, we are actually shutting down the mission. So maybe in real time, maybe there will be an issue with the region. Maybe it is down or anything happens, right? So we are
Yes, sir.
shutting it down intentionally because it is, in our case, this is failover. Okay, if you keep shut down, the traffic should be distributed to other region. Is it correct?
Yes. Yes, theoretically
Take
correct.
stop this instances to
So the primary one we should stop, or the secondary one we should stop.
primary is first concern. Okay, if first traffic will go to primary. If the primary
Okay.
is not working fine, then this will divert to a secondary which is available. So primary is matter anywhere. In weighted also. Primary we kept to
Okay.
70%.
So we are. Hello.
Sam, can you hear
Voice
me?
was breaking.
Okay, so maybe
Yeah,
some
your voice was
network issue,
breaking.
I think. Yeah, yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Stop the instance here. 1 second, Sam. Before doing that, let's
you.
check whether domain is working fine or not in browser.
Fine.
So before doing that, check browser once. It will take a time, 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes for update.
Right now it is catching the old one.
Old one. So take incognito. I will check in my mobile. www.muscle muscle muscle n my dot live. Okay, okay. It's working, right? North Virginia server. It is taking as first one.
Yeah, but it that was a
No,
latency
no.
one.
Is this not responding? Wait, Sam. Don't click anywhere. Just wait for response. Is
That's
that
not.
latest one or
So
what? This North Virginia is showing somewhere. Let me check
it
in
is
my
not the
system.
latest one.
Let me check in my
It
system.
is the old.
Muscle and check in incognito.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Continue. Uh, yes. The primary is North Virginia in our case. Is it correct?
That's right.
So then now, if there is anything happen to your primary server, okay, the traffic definitely it will divert to your primary only. In your case, North Virginia is your primary. So if something happened to your region, so then it will divert your traffic to Singapore. That should be happen. Okay, let's stop. Now let's stop the server. North Virginia.
Okay.
Sam, are you there?
Postman and this uh, region X, it will work faster. The domains.
Sam, can you hear me?
Hello. I'm
Sam,
saying the using Postman and region X, it will work faster. The things.
Sam, your voice is getting break.
Hello.
Hello. Sam, your voice is getting break.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear. You are trying to
Hello.
ask something.
Saying I am saying using the Postman and the and the Regen X this thing will the web will the domain work faster?
Postman, with the postman.
Yeah, Postman and Regen X.
No, I did not use that, Sam. No idea.
Okay, okay, okay. So I think I've stopped it. Let's. Is it working?
Is there any friend of yours from any other region who is
No,
belonging
I
to AWS?
no, no. There's no friend.
Yeah, now try to refresh the page. Muscle and mind.
Yes, first it let it stop
Okay.
talking. Then it should only Singapore.
Yeah, because traffic should be divert. In our case, USA North Virginia is failure. It's failed. There is a
Right.
issue with the region.
Issue with region just like Mumbai.
It's stopped.
Right, it's talking now. I'm checking.
Yeah, it is diverted into Singapore,
Perfect. This is done.
right? Awesome. So that's it,
Saved
Sam.
it.
So if in case any friend, any acquaintances happen with your any of your friends or family members from other regions, try this time. This
Yeah,
geology.
right. We have done the simple one. We have done the weighted one 70/30. So
Huh?
that means when we'll choose 70, then
Mm,
it will mostly choose the 71.
exactly.
71 shows USA. So it will
Yes.
divert to 70.
Yes.
The US one and two instance it will not go to Singapore,
Yes. It depends
but
upon
it will.
priority. Depends upon priority. In our case, earlier invited, we kept 70% as a US, right,
Yes,
region. So that is our dependency. For example, we are actually staying in India, in Mumbai region. So my priority is Mumbai. So then
that's
I'll
right.
keep 70 or 80% Mumbai traffic. So then I will divert remaining 20% to other region. That is for
So,
that to save your or to give complete response, instead respond without downtime.
Right.
Okay,
So
user should not
wherever it is
experience.
70, it will.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead,
Right.
go
Yeah.
ahead
So
please.
wherever it is 70, it will go there,
Yes,
and
maximum
then
down.
it will choose between instance one and instance two in that region.
Yes,
And whenever there is, it will only change to the 30% when there is too much traffic there.
yes,
But generally, we will not see that because
correct. In our
we are
case, we don't
just
have that
running
much load, right?
right,
But
right.
primary it
And in
has
the
shown.
failover,
It has shown primary.
correct, correct. When it is failover, and we are choosing primary,
Yes,
then in order to see it theoretically or practically happening, we have to stop the primary one to see
yes.
whether the load is going to. And in simple, it was just one load and we are doing it. But what about we have done waited, we have done failover, we have done that, and there were two more left. Geo political. It is theoretical. Thus, another one was not theoretical. Failover, weighted, and what was that? A simple weighted.
Simple weighted
You have
latency failure. Four are there, which are practical. Only geographical. I'm telling
oh,
geographical only.
latency we also did, yes.
So you need to understand geographical. Just need to understand where who the traffic or users are from the same region. Okay, those kind of people it will show. For example, in our case, if you create a geographical, it will show definitely only Mumbai. It doesn't divert the traffic from different because we are related to Mumbai. Okay, for example, if you created with Mumbai and North Virginia, someone your friend is there in North
Fine.
Virginia, so he will get diverted traffic for region which is related to North Virginia. It will get diverted to you, in your case Mumbai. That's it. Nothing else. No more discussions. That's it. Simple.
Okay. And in latency, we did not choose any numbers. So automatically we cannot understand it though very well. But latency, it is like if since it is closer to Singapore, so it will choose Singapore. Not
Latency is nothing but it's a fastest response. Okay.
yeah,
Latency
closest
means
to.
yeah. In our case, you see that you did not use any Mumbai, right? In our case, we did not use Mumbai. Okay, you might think that okay, this is a okay, we chosen Mumbai, that's why it is showing Mumbai. Okay, but we stopped Mumbai in anyways. That is really good. So we actually chosen first is priority Singapore. Clear? The second priority we have chosen North Virginia, but traffic simply diverted to Singapore, which is very faster because it's your nearest, very nearest, and it is very faster response getting from Singapore because it is nearest to you. Correct.
Yes,
Latency means there is very less latency, very less response. Very fast response is there, very less latency is there. That is the reason you got Singapore because North Virginia is too far from you.
that's right.
That is faster response.
Perfect,
Whatever
perfect.
the
Now we
response very
understood
faster,
that.
that is comes under latency.
Yes, this was
Done.
we understood this.
This is
So
completed,
in
right?
this case, in this case, you covered a load balancer as well as Route 353 together, two concepts
Yes.
together.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's right. Two concepts are covered. Even if one has not covered the load balancer before, if you cover it here, it
Yes.
also automatically
Yes.
covers.
Yes. If you don't understand load balance there itself, you will do more exercises here.
Yeah, so it's done. So very good. So we are completed with one thoroughly, and I just make my notes properly so that I do not forget about these four things. Notes
Yes.
I will do. That's why I was asking for a simple one. So by today or tomorrow, I'll try to make notes for this so that this topic is completely done away with, and then we can choose old topics, and then by like end of next month, I should be done with the old topics completely. So I just want to be perfect with this. I don't want to keep it to any chances that I don't know. Because it's very serious.
Yes. And the
Serious.
next topic will start tomorrow.
And which one will be that?
SN will go for SNS.
SNS. Perfect. The okay the SMS system. Correct.
Yes.
SNS
Let's go with
SQS.
yeah.
And answer another thing. So how much time we are going to take with AWS, and then when are we going to start with eventually start with DevOps?
See, Sam.
Approx.
Only teaching involved. Only teaching. My side only involved. I can say that these many days will take care, but it's completely depend upon you how much time you are taking care. Right? For only for teaching. For suppose
Right.
I'm only teaching SNS. This is what I can complete within 1 hour. Everything, including practical lab. Okay. Then I can calculate that. Okay, it will take 1 week. I can complete in 1 week. I can say that. But you are so I have to teach theoretically. I have to show lab. After that, you have to do it in live, right? So it is repeating. One topic is repeating 3 times. Also, sometimes we are not connecting.
Mm,
Maybe some reasons. Okay, but in case
internet
this
problem.
case, internet issues, whatever, doesn't matter the reasons. But so in this case, how can I say that, right?
No, no, no,
You
no,
want,
no, no, no. I'm just asking. I don't
yeah.
mind the time. I don't mind the time
If
at
you
all.
don't have a
I'm
time,
just
just let me
calculating.
know. Yeah, Sam, I
I
understood that. What I'm saying, if you have enough time, will take a time and you can learn very much deeper. Okay, but if you have a
perfectly.
less
I
time,
have time. No, 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 no. That is not the issue. I have time. I have a lot of time. I want to be perfect. I want to be perfect. I don't want that I do it in a hurry and I lose it. But just asking is just a general question,
yes,
just
yes,
in question.
yeah. If
But what I'm proposing is that like every Saturday you can take one topic, 10 minutes. You can ask me questions. You go, why
not only
that
Saturday, Sam, I will ask every day. No,
okay,
no, don't worry about
okay. So
that. I will ask every day. I will start from tomorrow onwards.
that will no, not tomorrow. What I'm saying is that if you give me time, right, I will prepare one topic or
What
two topic
prepare,
thoroughly.
Sam? What prepare? You are repeating one time, one topic in 3 time means why you
No,
need separate topic for preparing?
no. I understand. What I'm saying is that see, I understand I don't need time, but if, for example, see, we will be covering new topics, but then if we put one day like Saturday for 10 minutes or 15 minutes of one topic, so even if we go slow because we have to cover DevOps and this, that will take time, right? We will be covering new topics and we will be covering old topics. So if we take just one day like Saturday or maybe Sunday or maybe in one weekday, one day, whichever. So I'll prepare one topic thoroughly. So let's say if you say four topics, and four topics,
No, 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 no.
if I've not been able to prepare properly one topic properly, 10 minutes of question, you will be able to understand that I know
Okay,
the topic
do
or not.
one thing, Sam. Tomorrow
Or
I'll start. Tomorrow I'll start. Prepare the same topic. Okay, I'm not going to take older topic and new topic. I'm asking the same topic. I'm asking. Prepare the same topic. Do practice on it. I will ask questions on top of this.
okay, fine.
Okay, Route 53. Next tomorrow I'll ask questions on Route 53.
Okay, no problem. So, like this, if we take just one topic, even if we take one topic and go slow, we will be by the time we are done with DevOps, we will be completely done. That what I'll do is that gives me just some kind of motivation to make notes of each topic, so that in 10 minutes when you ask questions, I at least answer 90% of the answers.
You will no problem at all. Don't worry about that. So
Right.
I will include that also. Not a big deal. Okay. So let's
Fine,
start
fine.
tomorrow. No any delay. So if good things start
Okay.
very immediately. So right. So let's start tomorrow.
And we are going well, and I think we are going well, and everything is very well.
Yes.
And I'm also coping up. I think so. Fine, I guess.
Yes. And tomorrow we are going to start with the SMS. Okay. And
Yes.
on
Sure, that's it.
Saturday I might not available.
Okay,
I
fine.
need to travel so long, so I have to go. So there is
Where?
a function. So Saturday
Okay,
also I will take. That's why I'm requesting. I have a train at 3 o'clock or 2:30 somewhere.
okay,
So I have to go
okay.
Secunderabad railway station. So before one
Okay.
hour. So which means I have to complete this class before 1:30 or 1. Okay. So that's
Okay,
the reason
okay.
I'm requesting. Please connect at 11 o'clock or 10:30. That would be great help. Okay. If I complete that, so I'm not saying that I'm not going to take the class on Saturday. I will take it, but I'm requesting if you connect
Yeah.
early, that will be really great help for us.
Perfect, sir. perfect. We'll
Okay.
see.
So maybe
Cool,
I
cool,
will
cool.
skip on only Sunday. So I'll be back maybe on Monday if possible. Most probably I
Perfect,
will
perfect.
not skip. I will not. I'm trying to avoid skippings. Okay. I did not skip the
Right,
long
right,
much
right.
much more time. Okay. Even though I have traveled and driven too much long distance also, but still I've taken yesterday. All right.
Perfect, perfect. I got it. I got it.
Okay. Thank you
Okay,
so
sir.
much.
Let's get. Thank you. I'll also, get fast, get ready, and have to have lunch, and then take my mother also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Sam. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.